Hello kids, today we learn about some air vehicles. Aeroplane. A large aircraft used to carry people and goods through the air. Helicopter. Flies using rotated blades and can move up, down and sideways easily. Glider. A plane without an engine that soars using wind currents. Hot air balloon. Uses heated air to float and rise in the sky. Jet. A fast aeroplane powered by jet engines. Blimp. A large airship filled with gas that helps it float. Paraglider. A lightweight parachute that helps a person glide in the air. Hang glider. A small non-motorized flying craft controlled by the pilot's body movements. Drone. A remote controlled or automatic flying device used for photos or delivery. Seaplane. An aeroplane that can land on and take off from water. Cargo plane. Used to carry goods and heavy loads. Fighter jet. A fast military aircraft used in defense and combat. Space shuttle. A spacecraft that travels from Earth to space and back. Gyrocopter. A small aircraft that uses an unpowered rotor and a small engine. Airship. A powered balloon-like vehicle used for travel and observation. Ultralight aircraft. A small light plane for personal flying. Passenger jet. A large aircraft carrying many people on long trips. Rescue helicopter. Used to save people in emergencies or accidents. Glider plane. Flies without an engine using air currents to stay up. Air ambulance. A helicopter or plane used to carry sick or injured people quickly. Crop duster. An aeroplane that sprays fertilizers or pesticides over farms. Military transport plane. Carries soldiers, vehicles and supplies during missions.